Shatta Wale, ClassUPtv, don't forget, you subscribe to my channel. You like, you share, you comment. I want your comment, please. Comment on this. Bro, A+, if I say, Shatta Wale just say, according to Stonebwoy, I'm comparable to.
We, this generation of parliamentarians, the government must give us money. We want to leave a legacy. We just want to help people. We want to show them that what you didn't do, what you didn't do, we are here to do it. And so the money that they were getting and they were spending and what Ghana is today, we are here to do something new. And especially those of us from the creatives, I've been pushing people. So when you look at Shatta Wale's last interview, I say, Shatta, look at what you're doing out there. Look at the impact that you are making. Yeah. You have to stop standing outside the house and throwing stones inside. Enter the house and let's work. I've said same to Stonebwoy. I've said same to Sarkodie. I've said same to Samini. Let's show everybody that we are not just band boys. We know how to create and we can build a whole new country, and we are going to build it. Shatta Wale is building a new poultry farm in my constituency. You have to see it. Over $5 million. And it is an automated, like modern, ultra modern. You have to see the document that he has put together for that poultry farm to be built. And that is why he's coming to Gomorrah for the Easter. Okay. It's not just for music, but Shatta has a plan. Bisakede is coming, and not just for music. We have a plan. We want to build something. We want to show everybody that we in the creative space are capable of running a country.
Hey, bro. Hey! What do you mean for a ground tongue? Shatta Wale, Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, Samini, Black Salif, friends, Joey B, Papi Kojo, Kwame Yoji Kidi. Nanka this group of people will over parliament. Bro, I can party for them. I can party for them, bro. Party where you go party for them. Plus, if I saw a say, hey, this is the time was say while in the crop for on enter parliament. Whoa. Somebody said, so bro. A+ was once a musician. Oh, if you don't know, A+ was once a musician. No, Tondom. Bro, name me yet there. I'm not for Penasem. Bro, this guy went to contest as an independent artist too, candidate, sorry. And he won, simple, hands down, without any hesitation, without any extra work. So just imagine, say, well, they standing for an independent, candidate, bro, the guy go win hands down. The guy go win hands down because well, they already got the street. Shatta Wale, Sarkodie already got the influence. Stonebwoy already got us. So right now, if you say, man, this big artist, that three way you put your name, first parliament, bro, yeah, and Yama can be go our favor. Hey, this youth, bro, the youth go enjoy. Uncle the youth go uncle we go enjoy. Forget. If Shatta Wale dey parliament, hey, if Wale dey parliament, right, we go enjoy. The guy only parliament too. The guy know the but see the contents are called Yama Ghana. See the kind of Yama Wale they do for Ghana, for the youth of bro. Now can't say Wale be call parliament. Hey, I can hear every month you be having breakfast every day. You be having breakfast every morning, breakfast every friends every afternoon, lunch every night. Friends friends supper. Anka chilling, anka you back chilling, anka you back chilling, bro. So yeah, Charlie ClassUPtv. Don't forget, you subscribe to my channel, you like and share, you comment, bro. What do you think? Do you think Wale Ebeko parliament, or do you think this one biggest artist, Shatta Wale, Stonebwoy, and Sarkodie? Do you go to parliament? Go. But bro, I can like it to be fantastic. It will be so good because, bro, this artist wants the best for us. You bob. So like if maybe Shatta Wale did the parliament was there because bro, A plus A plus. Akwani nyama ma ne constituency A plus. Akwani nyama. When you not as MPP, when you not as NDC, when you not as CVP, when you not as independent candidates, and the guy won hands down with no extra work. Yo, what's up? The people loved him. The people think that okay, fine, it's a call. Yeah, to man no about baby, papa me. Yeah, and pass all yeah. And now I'm calling you serious. Omo bayo mo festival and saying other Shatta Wale ko ho friends say bisa kede ko nkofo bebre e ko. But oko entertaining omo. What's your CSR? $5 million ultramodern poultry. Wale ekosi ewo bro osi wi a obefa ne nkofo ewo adwumem omo kosi ne kurampo no bro omo ko start yes ne kurampo no the youth of there the construction workers the labor omo benya adwuma je na omo so omo san no like omo daily bread. What's your CSR? So these are the things that can person can pay for no say bro there's no work in Ghana so omo yes and me we say be yan so benya adwuma je bro make you don't forget I'm working on, so please subscribe to my channel. You like and share, you comment. I want your comment, particularly on this matter. Do you want Shatta Wale to be in parliament? Or do you want Stonebwoy? Or do you want Sarko? Or do you want anyone, an artist, to be in parliament too? So, you know, now I'm ashamed, because me, I feel that if Wale did parliament right now, bro, there's too much changes will come in our favor, in our ways. Just imagine, say, Wale war parliament. Bro, when you the way I buy there, Shatta Wale de parliament, ba. And can you about my way, and can be a free party, free show, free concert, about my neck, bro. Already, you know, there's too much heat. Ghana, but yeah, so like if these people are trying so hard for us to win, bro, make we just help them, especially Shatta Wale, Stonebwoy, Sarko, Kwame Eugene, Black Shalif. Smoke. These people are the youth that they are trying their best for us. See that be a young one day, you should be able to page now. Bro, why they come right now? Why they make moves? You bob here, so Charlie, these are the things that we love to see. These are the things that we want our artists to do. Why they come they share phones. If they go do some show for Kumasi, what do you think the street? Why do you think the street love Shatta Wale? The street loves Shatta Wale because of his kindness, because of his generosity, because of his love, because like they love him. If Wale they drive past where you see group of people, Wale go stand now on your more like akasa what I didn't come more no to sika more. So like yo, what's up? What's that? That kind of love, you know. And Wale they do. But me, I feel say Wale for enter the parliament day, of course. Yeah, Wale for enter the parliament day because bro. ClassUPtv, what do you think about this? The whole thing? Do you think Wale should enter parliament or Sarko or Stonebwoy or one artist for enter the? What do you think? I want your comment. Please comment for me. Comment.